it's okay, and I'm here today with another video. Welcome back to another tutorial video. Now this tutorial is something that I actually had to learn the hard way. So today's video is talking about the Optifine cape. Now the Optifine cape does cost money. If you want an Optifine cape, you'll have to pay. It's not a lot, it's quite nice, you just put in your username, but I'm not talking about that. I already have a cape. But when you're on this home page, and if you want to get a cape, you go to donate, you pay for the money, you customize your case, yada yada, and then you are done. And then it says, okay, your cape is ready, it's on Minecraft. You load it up, and it's not there. Why? Did I get scammed? No. Most likely you did not get scammed. Most likely, since of 1.16 to 1.15 have changed, it means that you're doing something wrong, and I'll show you in today's video. So, when I did this the first time, I was very confused. The first time. So, we're just gonna log in to Optifine Minecraft. You also need Optifine if you did not know, and that is free. You can get Optifine totally free. You can look it up on YouTube. There's like a million tutorials on how to get Optifine. So I'm just gonna wait for this to load, and we'll jump cut. Okay, so now that you're in Minecraft, you're excited to get your cape, you're super excited because you're gonna show it off to all your friends and stuff, and they're gonna be so jealous. So you just wanna go into single player, or it also works on servers, but I'm just gonna do single player because it's faster. Okay, so the world finally loaded. And so you're in your world, and you're excited to see your new cape. You'd go F5. What? Where is it? Where did it go? It's not there. You check the options. Go to skin. Ah, that's right. Reload cape. So it'll just take 15 seconds, and then it'll be good as new. You wait that long, and then you're excited. Nothing. You're probably upset right now because you just paid $15 and you got nothing. You think, oh, it's a scam, this place sucks. Here's what to do if you do not have an Optifine cape. You have to pay for it. That's just crucial. You must pay for it. It does cost money. Not a lot, but a bit. $15. It's quite a bit for a digital thing. But this is how you could do it. Alright, so you're on. Where the heck's my cape? Press escape. Then you go to options, skin customization, and you think that that's it. No. Since of the new version of 1.16, you actually have to go to video settings, details, then you'll see here, show capes. It will be off. Turn it on, and there you go. And if that doesn't work, then just reload the cape and it should come back. Now, what if you don't like your cape? Do you have to buy a new one? No. You can just go to options, skin customization, Optifine capes, opens cape editor. It will open in one of your tabs. For me, it's Firefox. I will fix that because I don't like Firefox. It's loading right now. If that's the cape that you want, if this is the cape you want, then good for you. You can stop watching the video. But if you want to learn how to change your cape sometime, just open the tab that gets sent to you. Okay, now it will send you to the Optifine website. And here you'll see, look, there's your cape. I actually changed mine just to check if this thing would work. Once you're here, if you want to change it to the normal Optifine cape, you can just do standard white. It will give you all these different options. Or you can do custom, where you can change the colors to what you want. But if you want to do what I did and make that cool pattern, I want to make that cool pattern. How do I make that cool pattern? Go to banner, then it will say you can use the banner generator click that link and it will send you to the banner generator website. Now, I already have a few saved. If you want to save, you just press the plus button. And this will make it so you can make any cape ever, except this is the limit. You can only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you cannot use this symbol. This one, for some reason, is not allowed. It makes sense because it's like Minecraft's logo. Not anymore, though, really, so maybe it'll be allowed. But that's how you do it. And then once you have your skin, let's just choose this one. You do this. Actually, no, yeah, that's the right one. Then you do Control C, and then you paste it into here by saying Control V. And there you go. Press Enter, and then it will update your skin. Now you go back to the game. You're in Minecraft. I changed the world. Then you'll see, so this is confusing because I already had this, but if it was a different skin in cape entirely, you'd have to go to here, here, and reload cape, and then it would give you your new cape. So guys, that's gonna have to wrap it up for today's video. Hopefully you did enjoy, and hopefully this did help you. If you want to know some of my custom banner things, like if you want to learn how to make these, get this video to 5 likes, and I'll show you how to make all of these. And, yeah, this is okay. Going away. Come back for another day. See ya.